Hi, this is Sartaj and today we are discussing an amazing course launched by ISRO. Imagine getting a certificate in free of cost by completing a course from ISRO. So this is absolutely a resume booster. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So ISRO is offering a complete free AML course with a certificate. And this is a government certification program. It's combined with geodata, which is one of the highest demanding skill in today's tech industry. You will get a verified ISRO certificate which is absolutely resume booster for you. This is absolutely free, means you do not have to spend a single penny on this. You only need 2 weeks of your time to attend the lectures, and this is also flexible live training program. So the main topic is who can join this. So I will tell you, this is open to everyone, means this is no prerequisite, but if you know Python it would be very helpful. Obviously a identity group is required to join the course, like Aadhaar card or passport etc, and it supports both individual pass or professional or a college student. So here are the topics that you will learn in this course. So it will teach you Python and data science, which is the foundation for this course. Then we will be learning satellite and spatial image processing, geodata analysis, deep learning fundamentals, AI and language models, LLMs, and you will be doing practical project to get exposure of real world datasets and AI tools and practical learning models. So this is the complete timeline of the course. The registration for this course is already available because this course has limited seats. Apply as soon as possible, but the course training take place on 3 August to 14 August. So this is a 2-week program. So to register this, if you want, I will make a video, but for now I will giving you this link. Search this link elearning.iirs.gov.in and apply for the course. For official announcement, check on isro.gov.in. So this was all about this program, and if you have any issues in the registration form or any doubt regarding this course, so tell me below in the comment, and I will be sharing the link of this document below. So yeah, that's for it. Subscribe for more.